Learn English to Gujarati. Repair, buy, sell and
મરામત કરવી, ખરીદવું, વેચવું.
welcome to the chaotic little shop. Hi, you wonderful language adventurer. Today you are stepping into a very strange shop where nothing behaves, but your Gujarati gets stronger every minute. Imagine this. You walk into a tiny market. The fan is shaking dramatically, the light is blinking like it is in a talent show, and the shopkeeper whispers, "Please do not touch anything unless you want a surprise." Naturally, you touch everything. Your first mission is to learn the survival words. If something breaks, you
મરામત કરવી,
or repair it. If a villainous goat smashes it completely, that is
નાશ કરવો,
to destroy. If the machine finally behaves, it starts to
કામ કરવું.
work. And if the big grand opening never happens because rain attacks the roof, it is
રદ થવું,
to be cancelled. Already, this shop feels less like shopping and more like surviving a comedy movie. The fan drama. Now let us make the scene even messier. Listen closely and repeat the Gujarati words out loud with confidence. The shopkeeper points at a dead fan and says, "Can you
મરામત કરવી,
this?" You say, "I can try to repair it, but I am emotionally prepared to make it worse." You press one button. Nothing. You press another. Suddenly the fan starts to
કામ કરવું.
success. You feel like a technical genius. Then a monkey drops from the window, lands on the fan, and manages to
નાશ કરવો,
the whole thing in 2 seconds. That monkey is talented but in the wrong career. The shopkeeper sighs and says, "Fine. We must
બદલવું.
it." That means replace it. So here is your quick chain. Repair is
મરામત કરવી,
work is
કામ કરવું,
destroy is
નાશ કરવો,
and replace is
બદલવું.
buy, rent, or regret. You are doing great. Now the shopkeeper asks the ancient question of modern life. Should you buy it, rent it, or walk away dramatically? If you want to buy the scooter, the word is
ખરીદવું,
if you only need it for one day, you can rent it.
ભાડે લેવું,
If you own an old scooter and want money for it, you sell it.
વેચવું.
So listen to this mini scene. You say, "I do not want to
ખરીદવું,
this strange scooter because it makes chicken noises." The shopkeeper replies, "No problem, you can
ભાડે લેવું.
it." A man in the corner says, "Actually, I want to
વેચવું,
mine. It only makes duck noises." Congratulations. You are now shopping in perfect chaos. Tiny dialogue drill. Let us do a quick spoken drill. You listen, imagine the scene, and repeat the Gujarati words after each line. A. My bike is broken. B.
મરામત કરવી.
A. Oh no, the storm will destroy the sign. B.
નાશ કરવો.
A. Great, now the radio works. B.
કામ કરવું.
A. Bad news, the concert is cancelled. B.
રદ થવું.
A. This battery is dead. B.
બદલવું.
A. We need a car for one day. B.
ભાડે લેવું.
A. I want that mango. B.
ખરીદવું.
A. I do not need this old lamp anymore. B.
વેચવું.
The Great Market Disaster. Ready for a funny story? Good, because this market is about to become a masterpiece of bad decisions. You decide to
ખરીદવું,
a lamp,
ભાડે લેવું,
a bicycle, and maybe
વેચવું.
your old radio later. But the lamp does not.
કામ કરવું.
The bicycle seat falls off. The radio starts speaking like a dramatic uncle. So first, you try to
મરામત કરવી.
the lamp. Then the shopkeeper says the battery is hopeless and must be
બદલવું.
At that exact moment, rain pours through the roof, the loudspeaker crackles, and today's market music festival is officially
રદ થવું.
A goat runs by, eats the event poster, and nearly.
નાશ કરવો.
A basket of mangoes. You stand there holding a broken lamp, a rented bicycle seat, and half a plan. Yet somehow, your Gujarati is improving beautifully. Quick quiz time. Let us see what's stuck in your brain. No pressure. Even the shop goat believes in you. What is the Gujarati for repair?
મરામત કરવી.
What is the Gujarati for destroy?
નાશ કરવો.
What is the Gujarati for work or function?
કામ કરવું.
What is the Gujarati for to be cancelled?
રદ થવું.
What is the Gujarati for replace?
બદલવું.
What is the Gujarati for rent?
ભાડે લેવું.
What is the Gujarati for buy?
ખરીદવું.
What is the Gujarati for sell?
વેચવું.
Your final challenge. Now you do the thinking. I will give you situations, and you choose the right Gujarati word in your mind or out loud. Your phone is broken, and you want to repair it.
મરામત કરવી.
A giant clumsy elephant sits on your chair and destroys it.
નાશ કરવો.
After fixing the charger, it works again.
કામ કરવું.
Because of heavy rain, the cricket match is cancelled.
રદ થવું.
The old battery is bad, so you replace it.
બદલવું.
You need an apartment for just 1 month, so you rent it.
ભાડે લેવું.
You go to the market and buy fruit.
ખરીદવું.
Later, you sell your old chair online.
વેચવું.
Friendly goodbye. You made it through the wildest little vocabulary market. That is impressive, and probably safer than visiting the real goat shop. Today you learned how to say
મરામત કરવી.
for repair,
નાશ કરવો.
for destroy,
કામ કરવું.
for work,
રદ થવું.
for to be cancelled,
બદલવું.
for replace,
ભાડે લેવું.
for rent,
ખરીદવું.
for buy, and
વેચવું.
for sell. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and soon your Gujarati will really
કામ કરવું.
for you.